हे गाइस, वेलकम टू दिस चैनल। मैं हूँ शुभी MUA और आज हम करेंगे जेनजी वर्सेस मिलेनियल मेकअप। मिलेनियल्स 80s टू मिड 90s वाले हैं और जेनजीज मिड 90s टू 2000s वाले हैं। I'll be using Swiss Beauty on millennial and Craze on Gen Z side. So let's do both and you can decide which one is better. Starting off with primer, millennial side में mattifying primer and hydrating and pore minimizing primer on Gen Z side. For base I'll be using airbrush full coverage foundation. Gen Z side पे हल्के हाथ से मैं थोड़ा लगाऊंगी because Gen Zs believe in less is more और बहुत ही हल्के हाथ से ब्लेंड करना है। ये फाउंडेशन बहुत ही फुल कवरेज है, थोड़ा सा भी लगाओगे तो काफी कवरेज मिल जाएगी। इसके बाद मिलेनियल साइड पे भी मैं यही फाउंडेशन यूज करूंगी और थोड़ा करके बहुत सारा फाउंडेशन लगा लूंगी। दिस फाउंडेशन इज एक्चुअली फुल कवरेज और इतना सारा लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन एज अ मिलेनियल हम ओवर थिंक, ओवर बोर्ड, ओवर कॉम्पनसेट तो करते ही है। This is the difference between millennial and Gen Z. Now next is concealer. Even when it comes to concealers, Gen Zs will be like less is more. बहुत थोड़ा जहाँ पे जरूरत है सिर्फ वहीं लगाना है। As a part Gen Z, I quite like this trick. On millennial side, you can go all out with your concealer. Now doing this is not wrong. This one is still an option, each to his own. अगर आपको glam look चाहिए, full coverage look चाहिए, then you better go for this. Also I've said this before और मैं फिर से बोलूँगी, Swiss Beauty के concealers and foundations are so good. बहुत ही lightweight है and at the same time they offer full coverage. I mean just look at the way they perform. Next up is blush. On millennial side I'll be using Cheek It Up blush in the shade Hyaon Pink. लगाने का तरीका काफ़ी casual है पर ठीक है। And on the other side, Gen Zs के लिए मैं यूज करूँगी Craze Lip and Cheek Macaroon. And as you can see, Gen Zs बहुत blush करते हैं। I feel this is the only product जहाँ पे हम Gen Zs overboard चले जाते हैं। But personally, if you ask me, मुझे बहुत पसंद है blush. Cream blush लगाने के बाद थोड़ा powder blush भी लगाना है। This will further help your blush to stay put for a longer time. Millennial side के powder blush में थोड़ा shimmer particles था जिससे मुझे glow मिल गया और Gen Z side का powder बिल्कुल ही matte था। Now I'll be applying this highlighter. Now with this one, आप सभी को बहुत बड़ा nostalgia होने वाला है because we are going to go overboard with the highlighter. For Gen Z, I'll be using a champagne shade from the Craze eyeshadow palette as my highlighter. I love how wearable the Gen Z side is and well, the millennial side is reminding me of year 2016. इसके बाद on millennial side, I'll be using 24/7 Passport eyeshadow palette. Using different shades of pink, I'll be drawing a crease. Then I'll cut the crease using some concealer and draw a smoky wing using the same colors I did for the crease. Then I'll further drag those shades down to my lower lash line. And then I'll add these shimmery shades onto the center of my lid. It's looking so pretty, I'm sure you'll agree. Gen Zs are known for their experimental and creative tendencies. बस इसीलिए मैंने एक हार्ट का कटआउट चिपका दिया कुछ क्रिएटिव करने के लिए. And I'll pick these shades of pink and apply it around the cutout of my heart. I think even beginners can try this because it is so easy. और without any efforts कितना perfect shape आया. Now to add some depth in the crease, I'm going to apply this pink eyeshadow and apply some shimmer in the end. It is so effortless. You can create this under 2 minutes. Then I'll be using this amazing Craze eyeliner duo. It has a wing stamp on one side and a precise eyeliner on the other. Make sure कि आप सिर्फ lash line को ही cover करो, overboard ना जाओ. Now for my lashes, I again have this Craze duo. One is to add volume, the other is to add length. This is how it looks after application. Millennial side पे मैंने lift and curl mascara use किया है. फिर millennial side में I'm going to overline my lips and then I'll apply this lip crayon in the shade Wild Pink. Then on Gen Z side, I'll be using this lip duo in the shade Party Ready. इसको मैं सिर्फ inner side पे लगाऊंगी. Then I'll be applying this tinted lip balm to add on to that gradient effect we're trying to give. And on the outer edges, I'll go in with the same blush that I applied earlier. Finally, to lock my makeup in place, I'm gonna use Craze makeup setting spray. It sets your makeup in place, adds hydration, and makes your makeup last longer. So yes, this is the final look. Gen Z versus millennial. Which side are you on? Also comment section में बताना कि आप Gen Z हो या millennial हो. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more such videos and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. I love you all so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.